Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this video I am gonna teach you guys how to download Crunchyroll application on your mobile device. It is the streaming platform focused on anime shows and movies. In order to download Crunchyroll application on your preferred mobile device is real easy. First, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. And next, open up your App Store or your Play Store. Bring up the search bar and type in Crunchyroll app and hit the search. And now you can see the Crunchyroll application over here. Just click on install. It might take a while to install depending upon the internet. Wait for installation. Now the application has been installed. Just click on open. Once you click on open, you will be taken to this kind of interface. Now you can enjoy the app by clicking on login button. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.